How to know your age on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open TikTok application and log in with your account details. Then after click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Click on the three lines at the top right corner. Go to settings and privacy. At the top click on account. Now, in account section, you won't be able to see the option of date of birth. So go to download your data in account. Now here you need to create a request to download your data. Click on select data to download as automatically all data has been chosen. So click on custom. After that, click on profile and post. Then click on done and request data. Shortly the data request will be created and you will be able to download your data. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.